Huge farm animals.
Hey guys, here we are in the farm, and one thing we're looking for animals.
Look everyone. There's no animals at the farm. They are gone.
Viacom, what's right? There's no animals at the farm. We had to collect the animals. So return farmer house.
I guess not. That's a farmer animals are going to looking for. Come on everyone. Let's go find them all of those animals. So guys, how many animals are in the farm?
This means 15 animals. At the farm. That's my correct.
15.
Oh, 15 animals. Ha 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 ha. I guess we'll just find a way animals we get found.
Hee have you seen the animals yet?
Not sure yet. Let's find your animals at the farm.
Later.
Well guys, I guess there's no one could not found all the animals at the farm. Let's go home. Hold on, do you guys hear that?
It's someone coming into the animals and the farm. It's everybody animals here.
Screen Gems was very right. We found all the animals at the farm.
Whoa, that's what I'm talking about.
Got it.
Yeah, we have farm Dan.
That is the best farm animal ever.